Imagine a space that's all yours, a place to kick back, relax, entertain, and showcase everything you love. But how do you take a basic room and transform it into the ultimate man cave without it looking cluttered or cliché? Whether you want a modern lounge, a sports haven, or a rustic retreat, today's video will give you 10 killer man cave decor ideas to create the ultimate escape. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also reveal one professional styling secret that makes any man cave look like it's straight out of a magazine without blowing your budget.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What's the first step to decorating a man cave? Start by choosing a theme or vibe. Some popular themes include sports bar, industrial loft, retro arcade, movie theater, or classic cigar lounge. Pick something that reflects your passions and personality. It'll guide every design decision after that. Like the sound of these themes? Like this video and share it with someone who dreams of their own man cave. How should the walls be styled in a man cave? Walls make a huge visual impact. Use materials like exposed brick, reclaimed wood, or dark paint colors like navy, charcoal, or hunter green. Hang framed sports jerseys, vintage signs, metal art, or even neon lights to personalize the space. Want to see awesome wall decor ideas? Check the description for my favorite picks. How do you create a killer entertainment center setup? Invest in a large flat-screen TV, a soundbar, and comfortable seating facing the screen. Mount the TV on a statement wall and add shelving for collectibles, a minibar, or a snack station. Don't forget LED backlighting for a theater-like feel. Planning your entertainment zone? Check the description for a full setup guide and product links. What's the best furniture for a comfortable and stylish man cave? Go for comfort and durability. Leather couches, recliners, or sectional sofas work best. Add bar stools, gaming chairs, or even beanbags for a relaxed vibe. Choose darker tones or rugged text to keep it masculine and low maintenance. Got your ideal furniture vibe? Comment below and tell me what your dream setup includes. What lighting works best in a man cave? Lighting should be adjustable and moody. Use industrial pendant lights, wall sconces, LED strip lights, or even vintage filament bulbs. Add a dimmer switch to easily change from game night bright to movie night cozy. Love great lighting ideas? Subscribe now for more home and party decor inspiration. How can you add a bar or mini drink station? Nothing says man cave like your own bar setup. Add a mini fridge, shelves for glasses, and a stylish bar cart or custom-built bar. Decorate with whiskey decanters, neon beer signs, or a chalkboard drink menu. Want a bill? What are must-have accessories for the ultimate man cave? Think cool but functional. Add a dartboard, poker table, pool table, arcade machine, or mini basketball hoop. Smaller details like vintage clocks, area rugs, and collectible models bring warmth and character to the room. What accessory would you add first? Tell me your pick in the comments. How do you incorporate storage without killing the vibe? Use stylish storage solutions. Install floating shelves, use leather storage ottomans, or hide gear inside built-in cabinets. Choose wood, metal, or leather materials that match the rugged or modern vibe of the rest of your cave. Need smart storage ideas? Check the description for practical man cave storage hacks. Your man cave should be a reflection of your style, your interests, and your dream downtime. With these 10 ideas, you can create a space that feels both personal and ultra cool, whether it's for gaming, hosting, or simply relaxing. Which idea was your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for every product and tool you need to turn your man cave vision into a reality.